Watch him make it, break it, break it, break it down.
Join us as we venture into the realms of opulence and innovation as Dubai Design Group unveils the artistry behind adorning the walls of the Burj Vista with exquisite wall claddings. Our process begins with meticulous preparation. Every surface is scrutinized, ensuring a flawless canvas for our artisans to work their magic upon.
We are finishing now master bedroom paneling, and mostly we are finishing our apartments. Already dressing cabinets delivered and partially installed. You can see here doors, glass doors from dressing cabinets. So this is the only balance to fix the doors, and cabinets are ready. Paneling almost ready, so we just need to fix light fixtures, chandelier, and put furniture here. Parquet floor is done. Now guys doing last pieces of panels. So in this bedroom we made panels in two layers. One layer is direct to the wall, another layer is outside of the wall, so there is shadow gap inside. We have all around the panels channels to cover. So we fixed channel on the section of each outer panel to cover this section. Inside we have LED lights, so evening time it makes cozy mood, cozy atmosphere. If you switch off all lights and keep only LED, it's very cozy in this bedroom.